I'm currently at Pasuruan Regency of East Java Province of Indonesia. The power plant beside me is converting solar energy into electricity right now for the power consumption of a bottled water factory on the Nice. It is one of the exemplary new energy projects here in Indonesia.
So we built this plant around 6 months ago, and now it's already being fully utilized by the owner. So this system is comprised of 928 solar modules, and the total capacity is 418 kilowatt peak. The inverter is a very important part of the power plant. Without a good inverter, we cannot utilize the maximum output of the energy.
One of the core components of this power plant is the solar inverter. 4 inverters used in this project are made and transported from East China's Anhui province. High-end equipment made in China is playing an essential role in promoting the transformation and upgrade of energy use in Indonesia.
This is a factory in Anhui that exported inverters to Indonesia. As you can see, workers are busy producing inverters due to high demand at this time of the year. With an annual production capacity of 90 gigawatts, this factory sends inverters to many countries and regions worldwide.
China has supplied about 70% of the world's photovoltaic modules. During the first 3 quarters, China's export volume has increased 22.7% year-on-year to over 15 trillion yuan, offering strong support for world supply chain.
多年以来，阳光电源一直坚持国际化战略。我们已经在全球20个国家和地区设立了分支机构。我们的产品和方案服务于全球150个国家和地区，同时我们也建设了全球超过200个服务网点。那么，截止到2021年6月份。 我们利变设备在全球的累计装机量超过了182吉瓦。